How would you like a one button promotion machine which gets you viral traffic to any affiliate link? And as a bonus for purchasing that software, you can actually get the exact same sales funnel that you're on right now. Stay tuned to the very end of this video as I'm going to walk you through exactly what Affiliate Robot is and exactly how you can claim this sales funnel to earn up to 4 income streams paying you from promoting this one product, okay? Now what's going to happen is if you decide to purchase Affiliate Robot through the link in the description below, when you actually purchase it, you're going to get this exact same sales funnel. Now this sales funnel is going to be able to copy in 4 simple steps. Step number 1, I'm going to show you how to get your affiliate link for Affiliate Robot, okay? Yes, you can actually promote Affiliate Robot as I'm doing and make commissions when people purchase this product. Step number 2, I'm going to show you how to copy this entire sales funnel. You're going to get this landing page. You're also going to get this sales page, which you're on right now, which is going to do all the selling and telling for you so that you can simply drive traffic using the Affiliate Robot viral traffic software and make commissions on complete autopilot. And then step number 3, I'm going to show you and give you this exact sales machine. So you can actually earn from the Power Lead system, which is a software that I use to create these funnels. You can earn from the Affiliate Robot software when people purchase it. I'm also going to be giving you guys a 50-day email follow-up sequence, and you're also going to be able to earn from Aweber when people go through and create their Aweber account to start building their affiliate marketing email list. And better yet, you're also going to be able to earn commissions when people purchase traffic, okay? Traffic is the lifeblood of this business, and what you can do is you can use the Affiliate Robot to create promotional videos and send out promotions through viral traffic sources. And I'm also going to show you how to get instant traffic within 24 hours using solo ads. Solo ads is a method where you can actually go purchase traffic from other people's affiliate lists and make sales from promotion of their email list. So they'll actually go through and they'll promote your link for you, and then you can get traffic, leads, and sales without having to do anything, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Affiliate Robot is. If you guys decide to purchase it, you're going to get, like I said, this exact sales funnel, right? The sales page, this bonus page, which is going to be sent to you once you actually purchase the product. You're going to get 50 days of email follow-up sequence, which is automatically added into your Aweber account by the use of a simple code. Now, everything I'm going to show you is all free. All this training is free. All you have to do is grab Affiliate Robot through the link in the description below. Once you click that button, you'll actually be sent over to this page here, and the price is going up every single hour, okay? So you want to make sure that if you're watching this video, head over to that page. It's probably going to be a little bit more than $17, but it's going up every hour. So you want to make sure that you grab it, and this is a real price increase, okay? So every single hour this price is going up. You'll actually see in the bonus videos that it was a little bit cheaper, but it is going up about 10 to 15 cents every single hour. So you want to make sure that you grab that right away. Now, if we go over here to the product demo, I'm just going to skim through this video here and show you guys exactly what this system is, okay? So you're able to go through and create a video. So you go through the software, it's going to create a video, you can title it, you can put your description in, you can put your tags in, you can do all of that fun stuff. And then what you want to do is you can pick your products. If you want to get sent, or if you want to send people to different products, you can do that. And then what you can do is, if we scroll to the end here, when you go off to promote this, right, when you go off to promote it, it's going to send it to multiple different links, okay? So if you actually go through, you can see here, you can promote through Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, all through the click of a button. So you have a video that you want to set up, you simply plug that video in, You follow all the steps, you add your tags, you add your bottom slider, which is going to allow you to promote products on that video itself. And then what you can do is you can just simply blast that to all of these top tier social media sites with the click of a button. Okay, so normally you would have to go through, you would have to upload your video and manually do this, but using this software, it's going to automate the process. It's going to make a nice, clean looking post on every one of these social media networks, all different, all unique to that social media platform, allowing you to get traffic to your video and make sales right away. You're going to be able to push that button once your video's up. It's going to blast out to all of those sites, and it's going to allow you to get traffic a lot quicker. So the Affiliate Robot, this app allows you to leverage other people's videos for free traffic. It comes with a complete training, and it allows you to automate posting to 6 different social media traffic sources, okay? So you can use other people's videos to promote various products and then blast them out to these different social media sites and make commissions on complete autopilot. Now, leveraging this sales funnel, you can do that and promote Affiliate Robot, okay? Now, when you actually promote Affiliate Robot, we actually go to the Warrior Plus back office, we go under products, you can see that there's 17 different products in here, okay? So there's advanced training, there's the autopilot edition, and you can earn commissions when people actually go through and purchase, okay? So if you want to earn this, or if you want to set this sales machine up, all you have to do is purchase the main edition, okay? So you can go through, purchase the VIP edition, and then you can still earn from all of these income streams, okay? So you can earn $8, $19, $18, another $19, right? All of these different upsells, and they're all just different trainings, right? So depending on how many, how much you want to spend or what trainings that you guys want to get, there'll be videos, through the process going over each of these trainings. But I'll tell you one thing, you can promote, one product like this, and you can actually make upwards of $800 if we look over here, or around $600 per customer. So if somebody was to go through, they were to purchase the upsells, you can make a $600 commission just from the promotion of Affiliate Robot. Pretty awesome, right? So this is a surefire way for you to actually go through, purchase products, right, and make commissions right out of the gate without having to worry about, hey, should I spend $17 on this product? Is it going to give me any value? Because what's going to happen is you're not only going to get the product, but you're also going to get this sales funnel. The sales funnel is already done, it's tested, it's ready to go, and it's ready for you to leverage to make commissions. You can go through, set these, you can simply link it up and start promoting within the next hour. And now, maybe you're not looking to promote products on Warrior Plus, maybe you have your own products. That's cool. You can use this system for anything. You can use it for Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, Amazon, Max Bounty, Commission Junction. It does not matter because you're able to use other people's videos to promote your affiliate link. So you can go through, grab a video for a skincare product, promote that skincare product, and then have a few Max Bounty offers or things like that, okay? The reason I set up this bonus is so that somebody can go through, purchase the Affiliate Robot, have an entire sales funnel ready for them, right? I've simplified the sales funnel, set everything up nice and simple, nice and clean for you guys so that people are going through, they're purchasing this product, and you guys are making commissions, okay? So if you guys want to learn more about this product, just simply click on Get Started here. It's going to send you over to the sales page. You can scroll through the sales page. There's tons and tons of information on here going over, more in-depth into the product. But that's it for this video. I don't want it to be super long. I don't want you guys to, overthink this. It's a very simple process, okay? There's 3 steps that are needed to make a sale. Step number 1, you need to gather people's information, right? Step number 2, you need to pre-sell people on whatever the product is. That's what this video is for, right? This video is a pre-sell for people that are interested in the Affiliate Robot. And then obviously our bonus is this sales funnel. So there's nobody out there doing this. There's nobody out there giving sales funnels away for purchasing a product. There's nobody even going out there saying, hey, did you know that if you can actually make commissions from promoting these products? Most people are just out there to make a quick buck, right? Obviously, I'm here to make sales of these products, but I also want you guys to have the ability to make sales as well. So what I'm doing is I'm actually giving you the exact same machine that I'm using to make sales so that you guys can easily duplicate my process in 3 simple steps. Step number 1, right? Grab Affiliate Robot. You'll get this entire sales funnel as a bonus. Step number 2, set up your Affiliate Robot machine. Go through our training. And step number 3, you'll have our affiliate marketing or Affiliate Robot training, which is going to show you how to get traffic and start promoting this. Okay, guys? So click the button, get started right now, grab Affiliate Robot, and once you guys get started, you'll see in the bonus section to join the Facebook group, okay? You want to make sure that you join the Facebook group because I'm going to be launching multiple of these sales funnels, and you're going to be able to copy all of these sales funnels to promote various products on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and different offers. If I go out there and I see a product that is valuable, that is going to bring you guys some value, I'm going to set one of these funnels up for it, and I'm going to launch it inside of that Facebook group. So you want to make sure that you grab one of these products, join the Facebook group, and start profiting. So I look forward to hearing your guys' success, and I look forward to seeing you guys inside of our affiliate or our Autopilot Cash Machines Facebook group. So thank you for tuning in. Dylan DeFazio here, and I'll see you guys inside of the Facebook group.